Digital twins, the foundation of the enterprise metaverse.
Companies can leverage digital twins in a way that delivers significant value today while building the engine for the enterprise metaverse of tomorrow.
Organizations are set to look dramatically different in coming decades.
We envision a world where the lines between physical and digital environments blur.
Every asset, process, or person within and related to an enterprise will be replicated virtually and connected.
As a result, nearly every aspect of work can take place solely digitally or, at the least, before it does so physically.
Immersive experiences, enabled by augmented reality and virtual reality, will allow employees to gain real-world product design experience and training from their desks as they manipulate 3D digital replicas of equipment.
Mass simulations and AI technologies will use data streams from across and beyond the enterprise to help senior executives predict what's next with tremendous precision and prescribe the best course of action in even the most turbulent of times.
This is the enterprise metaverse, a digital and often immersive environment that replicates and connects every aspect of an organization to optimize experiences and decision-making.
The journey toward the enterprise metaverse, while still aspirational, has already begun with the development of the engines that will power it. Digital twins.
Although it will take time for this vision to fully materialize, leading companies around the world are already building its foundations. Digital twins.
Ultimately, the enterprise metaverse will be powered by dozens of interconnected digital twins that replicate everything from physical assets like products and office buildings to people such as customers and employees to core business processes, and often interact with the physical environment without human intervention.
Sufficient technology and know-how exists to build digital twins today, and doing so creates significant value now rather than taking years.
The twin can optimize capital spending, regulate usage patterns, identify failure points, and automatically initiate digital interventions based on unique network insights.
Over the next decade, companies estimate that its digital twins will deliver billions of dollars in cumulative financial impact as they enable additional AI use cases and increase the amount of data-driven decision-making across the organization.